So if you're a coach and you're coming across this video, please stick to the end, because I will drop a lot of helpful tips that will boost your business and bring more sales to you. Okay, so if you are a coach, online coach, listen to this. No matter the kind of coach you are digital stuff, or you are selling coaching program, listen to this. You see, one thing you must know is that your email list is the most important thing that generates money for you. But if you don't understand that, you will keep looking for clients that will even buy your product or sign up for your coaching program. But here's the truth, but you see, your email list is one powerful asset you own. Yeah, I'm telling you the fact. But if your emails are not well crafted, people will not even click it, because that has happened to one of my clients who reached out to me that whenever he sent or create or send an email to his audience, that people don't even click. That is because his email is not well crafted. Not until afterwards look at the emails again and rewrite it for her. That is how she would make more sales using that email. So in this video, I will show you the main thing you need to do to get more sales in your coaching program. Why sending emails to your audience? So stick around this video. Okay, let me quickly show you one of the formula that will really help you to get more sales, which is PAS. That is problem, agitate, solution. That is, in this case, you need to highlight your audience problem. Yes, you need to highlight their problem, then craft the copy according to what will solve their problem. Agitate it by showing the pain of not solving it. Present your coaching program as the solution. Example, struggling to get clients. Every day you wait, you are losing income. My one-on-one coaching program shows you how to fix this fast. These are the examples you need to understand and apply to your own. Then you will see more sales coming to you. Formula 2, understand what is AIDA. That is attention, interest, desire, and action. If you understand this thing, I'm telling you the fact, see, you're gonna make a lot of sales in your email list. Grab attention with a bold subject line. Build interest with relatable storytelling. Create a desire by painting a picture of results. Push action with a clear CTA, that is call to action. Example, how I help Sarah get her first client in 2 days. Okay, formula 3, storytelling emails. This is the last one. Yes, storytelling emails. You see, a lot of people write emails without even adding story to it, and storytelling is one thing that brings sales to you. If your emails does not have story, trust me, people won't even. You see, when you write your emails mixed with storytelling, people will be persuaded to buy or click that product you are trying to sell to them. Share a relatable story like clients win, such kind of things like that. Just share a story. Just look for a story to add to it. Connect your email to a client situation. Yes, create a story that is in alignment with a client situation so that they will know that yes, you are speaking directly to them. Transition on how your coaching solve the same issue. Example, I used to write copy all days with 0 clients until I discover X strategy. Now I teach it inside my coaching program. If you make your headline this way, my God, see, people must click, they must buy it. That is an hook already. Don't just write email, write emails that sell. Use PAS, AIDA, and storytelling to fill your coaching programs with clients who trust you before they even book a call. Want help writing them? You can quickly go to the description below or check the comment section anywhere, or check my bio. You will see the ebook. Get the ebook for yourself. Please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, because I will drop a lot of helpful video like this. See you in my next video.